Welcome, I'm Dr. Kyle Murray here with Atlas Brain and Spine, and today we're gonna go over the 5 exercises to help to correct that neck hump that you might have, or somebody you may know that has it. It's also called a Dowager's hump or a Buffalo hump. It is just an extra layer of fat on top of thoracic spine that is a protective mechanism. Oftentimes when you have that neck hump, it's because your thoracic spine is over curving and therefore resulting in an extension of the head and causes a lot of strain and stress at the CT junction or right at the neck and the top of the back. So that fat pad is built up to help to protect yourself. So exercise number 1 is the YWTL Stretch and hold. So you're gonna hold these each position 30 seconds. And as we go through this, I'll show you those movements. So first things first is the Y. Hands are gonna go up towards the sky, really feel it in the back. And then keep your head over top of your shoulders and hold that 30 seconds. Then we're gonna go down into the W. Elbows are just coming straight down from that position. Make a W with your arms and then hold that position for 30 seconds. From here, palms are gonna go up towards the sky, out to make a T. Hold that by bringing your thumbs back towards your back and really pull, feel it between your shoulder blades. Hold 30 seconds. And finally, we're gonna come down into an L. So easiest way from here is just come down here and go straight out and then hold that position for 30 seconds. Boom, once you've got that, we're gonna head into exercise number 2, which looks like this. You're gonna have your hands behind your back. It's gonna come out towards the wall behind you. At the same time, you're gonna have your head coming backwards and looking up. So what that looks like all together then, from here, pointing straight out and look straight up. Get a nice deep stretch in the back. Feel those muscles contracting and squeezing. And then again, hold 30 seconds. And do that 3 times. For exercise number 3, you're gonna be on your knees. So if you need something underneath your knees as a cushion, feel free to. You're gonna need a table or a chair, something that's gonna be fairly high elevation, ideally pretty in line with your knees. We're gonna get into a prayer position. Your elbows are gonna go on top of the table or the chair. And then opposite of what we're trying to do is flexion, this motion. So we're trying to get into extension, which is this here. Let your chin drop down toward your chest and then let that chest really open up and let your back sink down. So you're gonna look like this. Elbows set. Get your knees underneath your hips. Let that head come down. Hold that for 30 seconds and then come on up. For the 4th exercise here, we're gonna do a thoracic spine traction. So you're gonna need a towel, or if you have a foam roller, that's gonna be the best. Obviously, cheapest is the towel, so you can roll that up if you need to. But for demonstration purposes, we're gonna use this foam roller. So you're gonna get the foam roller onto a firm surface, and you wanna aim for right where your shoulder blades are, the very bottom of it. That's where the top of the curve is gonna be for your positioning. Now, you're gonna lay back down into it. Again, let yourself fall right on top of it, opening up your chest, letting your head drop down, and bringing everything back to where it needs to be. Hold that for 30 seconds and do that 3 times. Last but not least, we're on exercise number 5, which is the wall angel stretch. Now, for this one, if you do have that Dowager's hump and you're coming forward, you're gonna need a towel. Go ahead and place that towel behind you in the wall and make sure that your head is touching and the towel is staying in place. If you don't need it, fantastic, you don't need to use it. So your heels are gonna be touching the wall, your bottom's gonna be touching the wall, shoulders, elbows, and hands all touching the wall, and then of course your head. And again, if you need the towel behind your head to support yourself, feel free to, that's okay. So from here, you're gonna go neutral, which is this position, keep everything touching. Go all the way up as high as you can, keep everything touching to the best of your ability. Squeeze on the way down. You wanna feel the muscles in between your shoulder blades really contracting and strong. And go ahead and do that 10 times for 3 sets to maximize the benefit. This routine of stretches and exercises is really designed to help individuals with that Dowager's hump or that neck hump to bring the head back over top and to reduce the swelling and the tension at that junction. So follow this protocol daily to help to reduce that and bring your head back over top of your shoulders properly. If you know somebody who has Dowager's hump or this neck hump we've been talking about, please send this video to them so that they can start their health journey and improve their quality of life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we have an entire playlist of demos similar to this if you want to continue to improve the health of your spine. Go ahead and check those out. Again, I'm Dr. Kyle Murray here with Atlas Brain and Spine, and God bless you.